dysfunctional vat. These bottles are brand new, the valves are good, I don't need to change them, but I do have some old ones and I do need to change them. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to make a tool to get these off. And the ones that are round, those are the ones that have to be changed out. And occasionally these will go bad, and if they do, the only thing you can do is vent all the gas out using this release right here. Take it to your gas company where they fill bottles. They can pull this off and put a new one on. But if you have an old tank and you want to make a heater, like say for your greenhouse or something, I'll show you how to remove this in about 2 seconds as I make the tool. This is a crummy piece of pipe, and I'm not sure that it's going to last for any length of time. I think this is a fence post. Might also even be muffler pipe, I'm not sure. I've marked off the area that I need to cut. This is the front. That's where the gas connector would hook onto the bottle. And this is the back. So I'm going to take my grinder and cut this out. Cut the front one out as well. And we're going to size it up and see how it fits. We're going to size it. A very good fit. Now let's get the bottle we need to pull the top off of and make that happen. Okay, that's going to break, so I'm going to have to use heavier metal. Nice try, no cigar.